Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel RenderBG. Today I'm going to show you about how to create a project like uh, we call secu security security monitors, or you can say render to texture. This project made by Python script, and as you know, we can learn with ChatGPT. Okay, as now you can see I made a render to texture project with 3 cameras. Okay, if I move over here, so you can see 3 security monitors. Alright, and next step I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, let's go to open a new one, another one. Okay, so in this workspace I already done objects. Okay, it contains a monitor and this object. When I press P to play, you can see Suzanne object is rotating. Okay, all you have to do, the first step, just open workspace text editor and select new. Okay, I have this Python script. Just copy it and paste into this text text editor. Okay, the first one. Okay, after we done that, go to add a simple plan object, and then go to logic panel, add sensor, always add a controller Python script and connect like this, and open the current Python script. And don't forget to add another camera. This camera will be security monitors camera. Okay, make sure open the name. Okay, as we know, this camera name is camera 001, but if you look into Python script, you can see this is the name of camera you have to set. Okay, all you have to do, just copy this and go to object property and paste this name. Make sure that this camera name follows Python script. and then go back to plan object, go to material. Okay, in material you need to create image texture. Select new and just type SC number 1. Select 2 UV clip like this, and in this name I want you to control this material, hold Control C, or copy this name and paste into this lines clip. Okay, and then try to press P to play, and you can see nothing happens. Okay, all you have to do, if your plan's name is material 007, I need you to add two letters. Two letters is M and A. Okay, let's try again. Okay, let me check. I think we forgot something, and this you have to set to close set like this. Okay, let's go to press 0 to camera view like this. Okay, press P to play. Okay, let's see. Material. Oh, we forgot to change along the name of plan. The name of plan is plan 001. So you have to paste and replace the name like this. Okay, let's try again. Okay, now it's done. Okay, let's imagine this is the first monitor. Alright. Okay, now you can see. Okay, this is easy how to do that. So if you have a question, if we want to make more than one security camera, how to do that? Okay, if I keep going in this workspace in this project, I think I don't have enough time. Okay, let's go to a current project. Okay, now you can see at the first project I show you there are 3 cameras. Okay, how to do that? You can see I already had 3 scripts. So script name C number 1 is about the first camera, C number 2 the second camera, and C number 3 is the third camera. Alright, and you can see about a variable I used. Okay, I'm gonna upload this file for you can download and learn it. You can just change a few variable. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for